Pinwheel cookies are super fun, especially for kids. I'm gonna make these cookies. We're gonna be using Sun-Maid Raisins for the filling. These are gonna be delicious, really kind of natural, but still really great for the holidays. All right, so step one, we gotta make the dough. We're gonna start by creaming the butter and the sugar. We're now gonna add just a little bit of lemon zest, a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of vanilla, now 1 egg. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna take the baking soda, I'm gonna add it to my flour. Let's add about, I don't know, half. Remember, turn this on slow. Just like that. Now, make sure all the butter that's stuck to the side of the bowl comes off. Now I'll add the rest. Scrape all this down. And then I'll just finish the dough with the spatula. Nice, okay. That's pretty good. All right, so I'm just gonna take a knife, just trim this dough a little bit. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and just let it chill until it's firm so you can get a really good clean spiral. Okay, so now while our dough is chilling in the fridge, now we're gonna make the filling. I think this is gonna be a really good filling. It's based with raisins, walnuts. I'm gonna put 1.25 cups of raisins, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of chopped toasted walnuts. Let's go a pinch of salt and okay, now we're gonna cook this for, I don't know, probably like 10 minutes or so. It's kind of a slow process. You just want to keep stirring and stirring and cooking. And you'll see this mixture is really gonna thicken up. It's gonna be a nice paste for our cookies. Okay, so our dough is nice and chilled. Our filling is nice and chilled, ready to spread. There we go. I'm gonna take some sanding sugar and I'm just gonna kind of spread it out here. And now, when we bake these, they're gonna have this like really lovely sugar crust on it. Our cookie log is nice and chilled. Now I'm gonna slice it up and then we're gonna bake it off. Okay, so 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. I'll check them after 5 and probably rotate the pan. All right, these came out of the oven. I know that holiday season is cookie season. You're gonna be baking a lot of cookies. I tell you, if you bake these cookies, I think people are gonna really dig them. Well, I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season. I pulled these off, so can you.